Haka jingyalang jong ki kenhun menteri balalong menta kasngi, nakaliang ki menteri kilayakran sani bha halor kane kamat, bante lakam ya ka syong suk syong sngany haka jela, ya kane layathu dau menteri rangba ka jela u konrat kongkal sangma. Habayakran bat kilat pathai khubor, nakaliang menteri rangba, ulayathu bahadu menta nakaliang ki pulit kilayok ban kem ya ki saungut, ki badan kti ban Pynbthei ya ubom IED hak hendailat, haka janmet jong kasngi ublay. Menteri rangba ulayathu bakine ki saungut ki breu ki bala syakyam haki pulit, ki kentup ru ya ki breu ki bala penbiang ya ki tiar kitar, ban shna yau IED bom. Bat ula benrap ru baka jingtokit halor kane ka benta kadang ya syakmat, ban wat syu ya ki breu ki badan kti hakum kine ki kam pentrim haka jela. Ulayathu ru bakine ki breu ki bala syakyam ki deki nongkersyan jong ka sengking atiar HNLC. Menteri rangba ula ong ru ban nakaliang jong ka sorkar jela, kan syem ya ki sin jam ki bateng haka bayadei bat kine ki kam pentrim, haka babaro ki badan kti, ka an kan pelat ya ki. Bat ula ong baka jingdon jong ka CCTV surveillance hapok kanong ba shelong, kalong hi ban pek ngor ya kum kine ki kam be an, ki baja haka jela. Habakali halor ka jing berngam jong ka HNLC ya ki nong khai bar jela, menteri rangba ula ong ban nakaliang ka sorkar, kan shim kia bha ban pentikna bandon ka jing shngan, ya ki nong shong shnong haka jela, bat ki breu ki badan kti hakum kine ki kam pentrim, ka an kan pelat ya ki. Mentakasngi haka jingelang jong ki kenhun menteri, la shimru ya ka rai ban penkela ya ka Meghalaya Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion Facilitation Act 2020. Kat kum kane ka act, ki ba penken ya kane kin sya set patok syu, henry kin sya dan da ka kuna, la yathu menteri rangba ka jela.
Cabinet members and discuss about the law and order situation in the state. And we would like to inform all of you also that all the people who have been involved in the recent IED blast that took place, all the people have been arrested, and investigation is on, and we will be moving forward into the network even further and going into all the people who were in touch with them also to make sure that we dig into this deep and get hold of all the people who could possibly have been a part of this or have assisted. But the people who were directly involved in the incident itself, all of them have been arrested, including the people from whom the dynamite sticks were procured, including the people who placed it and including the people who had made it. If I am not wrong, there are 4, but you'll have to just reconfirm with the thing, because that includes in the past how many more were there, and will have to be reconfirmed, but the main 4 people who were there involved have been. So these are supporters and sympathizers of that, and of course the actual linkage and how much they've been involved in communication and organization still is a matter of investigation, so we're looking into those aspects of CCTV footage on all 3 of them. Found in the house of the main accused, who we, as I said, was already in the network. We knew, we had all the information and intel about these people, and as soon as this happened, we activated the network, went to his house, and we found that in his house. Clear, and we have made it clear yesterday also that we will be very firm on this, and we will take very firm and strict action on this, and all the people who have been involved will be caught, and that has been done, and we will continue to do this. Those who intend to create fear and terror will not be spared. So we will do everything that is required to be done. Meghalaya Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion Facilitation Act 2020 was a very minor one, where for minor offences, instead of going for imprisonment, only monetary fines would be made. So the small amendment was made in that, and in the annexure to the act, all the products that are allowed to be marketed within the state, the list of those products were added to this. That small amendment was made.